This is Joey Baker! Now, this is one joke that I do not want to tell, but I have to. Whenever you see it.
Did I clinch it? You drink milk? Milk.
Yeah.
Oh, окей. Спасибо. Пожалуйста. So nice of our waitress. Now give me
Now
your
listen.
muffins.
Whenever you see a donkey, do not disturb it if it's doing it. I did that one. It hurt like crap. I'll never forget that ball.
That doesn't deserve any applause. I don't deserve applause. That's yours. Holy divas! Neither one of the muffins. The muffins were a good outcome, weren't they? Would the muffins a good outcome though?
Alright,
Okay,
we're done.
What?
We're done.
No!